Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log in Shadowgun Legends. To log into Shadowgun Legends, first of all, open up the Shadowgun Legends app on your device and make sure that you are connected to the internet. Now from the home page, tap on the gear icon which is located at the top left corner. Now this will open up the options menu. Go ahead and tap on the player tab from the top right corner. Here, you can go ahead and sign in with email, connect to Game Center, with your Facebook account or with Apple ID. I'm just gonna type in my email address. Type down a valid email address you have access to and then tap on send verification email. You'll receive a confirmation email sent to your provided email inbox. Don't forget to check your inbox and spam folder as well. Now open up the email from Shadowgun Legends and click on link email. Follow through the prompts and you will be able to link your email right away. You have successfully logged in to Shadowgun Legends with your email. You can also use other login options such as Facebook, Apple, etc. After linking your account to one of these options, it'll be easier for long-term play and progress syncing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.